morning. I'm just arriving to work and I decided that I will do some plan as I go on a work day. It's actually my Friday. My days off are usually kind of off from the regular days off, but I will show you what I do on my Friday. First, of course, I'm coming to work. Today I work very early, so let's begin this. I'm doing my groceries. I have my list here that I copy from my planner, and then I'm going to get everything that I need. Good morning. Welcome to another plan with me. Today I'm going to work on Friday 9, Friday 9, yes. So it's my day off. I already had some things marked because at 3 in the afternoon I have an appointment for Frosty. He has to get his vaccines and nail clips. So part of this is done, but at the same time I'm here. I'm just happy to have my very bulky sticker book here. By the way, I want to say this is Erin Condren sticker book. I think is really great. Is now kind of asking for help because it has too many stickers, but I think it's better than the plum paper, because when I went to check the plum paper that maybe will fit better the stickers of the plum paper, it only has like 12 pages, when here I have like all these pages. So if you're looking for a sticker book, this is really good. Anyway, so first thing that I want to do is I have to film videos, of course, and I will put the little icon of videos so we know what we're doing all this time from 8 in the morning. I'm hoping that I finish, because I have 2 videos to film. Yeah, maybe until we finish all the videos will be until here, almost 11. So this is the time that I will take to do my videos. You know how it goes, you need time. I want to have today, since I have to cut my day a lot, it's not like I can dedicate everything, so I want to put here my cleaning as one of my priorities. Ooh, you know what, and also I want some area that say like brain dump, like to plan my videos and what I will do with the videos, etc. Let me see, love it, post it, behind the scene. I love this. So we will put this one here. I can plan things here and see what I will do. So that would be for my videos, and all that I have to post and do. I need one for the cleaning. Is no too much that I can do, so I will take from my stickers, from the monthly stickers subscription. I will take this one that is a cleaning, and I will put just here, and the other thing that I want, we will put a mark for priorities. Since I'm using blue, if I don't have anything in blue here, I have the stickers from the spring. Let's see if it has reminder today to do. And I have Frosty close to me, I don't see priorities. It's a payday, so task. I will put task, or today. So we have here today. Important day. Here I will do my fitness. So let's see, stickers from fitness. I'm trying to finish these ones that are the Erin Condren, so we will take from here. There. Perfect. And we have water. Since we are in the blue and light green, I want to put this that is a little darker for water. And we will put these shoes for steps. Oh, no steps. I don't think I would have too many steps, but I want cardio workouts, you know. So we will see what cardio I do. And then we have the food ones. We'll put these ones. We'll mark the meals there. All the meals. I will put like this. Cute. Now let me write what goes here. Okay, that is what I have already put here. I put my videos, what I'm planning to film. One of those is this one. And I kind of put the date that I want to publish, because I have videos that I go editing my videos slowly while I'm working too. In that way I don't have to rush and I feel bad because I'm behind. And that's the reason I have dates that are a little far away from the 90s. Maybe I will switch, I don't know. So we will see this. Maybe the date is okay or not. I can change. And I have another one that is a haul to the videos that to the last part of my planner that I received the last 6 months, and I will share. It's a very short. That's the reason can I put it before, but we will see what we do. Anyway, one of the priorities is Frosty vaccines to do. I'm not trying to do a lot on this day. I honestly have a very complicated week at work and it was a lot of stress, so I don't want to put myself in like I have to do this. Remember that before, like I did on what day? I did before one day that I do 2 things while I'm working. So what I tried to do is, let's see what it is. Like kind of like this, like I put what I will be working, this one, like things that I will work for this weekend, and it doesn't mean that I will do everything in one day. So what will happen is the same. I will just take my day slow, and whatever I don't finish I will do here. I will plan this tomorrow. I don't have anything planned right now, but I wanted that this be my main things. So I will finish doing and filming more of my videos, and I think I will maybe slowly begin some of my laundry, not all, and relax knitting or playing computer game. So that is how we are going. Let's do here that after filming the videos I will do laundry until it's time to go. And while I'm doing here, relax. Let's do that. I'm here knitting while I'm waiting for my little baby that is having his vaccine. We cannot go inside. We have to wait for them to take the dogs. They go in, we wait in the parking lot, and it's not only me, it's a lot of people that comes and wait here. So while we are doing that, I will be knitting and relaxing. Well, yesterday was not able to do too much after the bed things got really crazy. My dog was not feeling good, and I got kind of nervous about that. So I spent the time more with my dog and knitting and doing, just relaxing, not a lot of this. So what I will do here is plan some of the things that I also need to do and organize here, but no in a crazy way, just in a way that I can complete some of the tasks that I need to do, and we will go doing it slowly, no in crazy mode. These little monster gave me a little scare yesterday. We feeling better, huh? Yes, he is. Okay, let me do some planning here, and I showed you what I'm doing. Okay, here we are. So the only task that I put is like organize the nation cloth that I have, my laundry, my ironing that I have to complete, clean my desk and crafting table, dishwasher, and put away everything that is in the dishwasher, work the videos for the week, and then lunch and clothes for tomorrow for work. Order. Oh, I have to make my mind. I found a planner that can work so good for my work. I will maybe do it. Yeah, maybe. So here, breakfast, laundry, all these. I will play my game. Then I will plan my week. I will iron and call my mom while I'm ironing. And here I will put my meals. And this is just left there. Maybe I will put something on that. This is for priorities. And I think I will put as priority call my mom and get the laundry done, because those are really priority for me today. Okay, here is my donation pile, the beginning. I don't know if I mentioned before, but for every item that I do, I will take one that I am really not using from my wardrobe. And these ones are brand new. I use only one time, but no. They are so tight on the arms that you feel like you will break it just moving a little your arm. So sadly, that's the main problem of these ones. I used to do a lot of workout and weightlifting, and now my arms are a little bigger than what I need for this kind of shirt. So that's one of the reasons I love to now be able to make my own blouses. So this will go to the donation. It will keep on accumulate and then goes. So let's mark here. There is, yes, and in the laundry I am on darks, and the liquid is done. I only need to take care of that part. Okay, and I film my haul, and I film this one. I am actually on this day, but we will finish doing these two together. And I forgot to take care of my frosty bag. That is everything that came, since we got kind of like no good. So we have here ticks and flea pills that I bought just in case. They're so expensive. And what I have here, oh, the new vaccine collar. And I spent a total of 263 and 64. Expensive dog. Very expensive dog. And now I have the new color. Yes, I will put your color. I know. Well, I need to add that to my bills here. How much I spent. And what I put here. Yesterday was 9. And since Frosty is in housing that is pink, I have to mark with pink, so I know to what category that belongs. Done. Perfect.